Hello everyone, I am Rakshit MD, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. In this video, I am going to discuss about arithmetic instructions. So let us first go through the syntax of arithmetic operation, or this is the syntax that has to be followed while writing any of the arithmetic instruction. So first is the instruction followed by the condition. So here the instruction may be add, sub, reverse, subtract, etc. And any of the condition related to the instruction. And S indicates the status flag. So if the instruction is going to update the status flag, then you need to specify yes. So otherwise, no need of specifying the yes. So RD is the destination register, and Rn is the source register, and N is the source operand. So this table illustrates different arithmetic instructions. So first one is add two 32-bit values. So this is without carry. So ADC, add with carry, add 32-bit values and carry. Subtract two 32-bit values. SBC, subtract with carry of two 32-bit values. RSB, reverse subtract of two 32-bit values. RSC, reverse subtract with carry of two 32-bit values. So this is the syntax that has to be followed while writing these instructions. So arithmetic instructions are going to implement addition and subtraction of two 32-bit signed or unsigned values. Barrel shifter and arithmetic logic unit. So here any arithmetic instruction like add instruction, so sometimes it may use two operands. So that is one operand is preprocessed, but another operand may be not preprocessed. So here RM is the register, so that is given as input to the barrel shifter. So barrel shifter is going to perform two types of operations. So it may perform logical shift left, or it may perform logical shift right. And if the logical shift left operation is performed on the content of register RM, so the result will be stored in the operand N. And this result will be added with another register operand by arithmetic logic unit, and the result will be stored in the destination register operand RD. So these are the examples of arithmetic instruction. Sub R0, R1, R2. So that is it is going to subtract R2 from R1, and the result is going to be stored in the R0 register. RSB R0, R1, hash 0. So RSB is the reverse subtract. So here it is not going to perform R1 minus 0. So instead, as it is reverse subtract, so it is going to subtract R1 from 0. So that is 0 minus R1. And the result will be stored in register R0. Sub yes R1, R1, hash 1. So here you can observe here. So after subtracting 1 from R1, so status flags are going to be updated. Using the barrel shifter with arithmetic instructions. So this is the precondition. So the content of R0 is 0 and the content of R1 is 5. So that is before executing the add instruction. So now you see here, so this is add R0 comma R1 comma R1 comma LSL hash 1. So here, how the operation is going to perform. So get the content of R1, shift it left by 1 bit. So it also indicates multiplying the content of R1 by 2. So if we multiply the content of R1 by 2, then we are going to get the result as 10. So that will be stored in R1. So this R1 has the content 5. So 5 plus 10, it is 15, and its hexadecimal equivalent is 0F, which will be transferred to register R0. So that is after executing the add instruction, the content of R0 is 0F, that is hexadecimal equivalent of 15, and the content of R1 is 5. Thank you.